Undet for AutoCAD, Find and Align Axes tools. To start any 3D modeling or 2D drawings project based on 3D point cloud data requires scanned object analysis to find the main axis or object orientation. Correct view orientation by axis will let you vectorize much faster, and each drawing object will be parallel and perpendicular to each other. To make the first object structure analysis faster and easier, you can use Undet axis tools. Using Find Axis or Find All Axes tools, you will be able to find main axes from the clipped point cloud view in less than 1 minute, and the main axes will be found and drawn in the drawing. After this, you can manually select orientation by individual axis, or use the Find UCS tool to automatically find the best fitting UCS according to selected lines. After setting up UCS, you can use the Align Lines tool, and all extracted and selected lines will be aligned according to the entered maximum allowed tolerance. All lines will become parallel and perpendicular if it will fit to allowed tolerance. I will delete these lines and will try to follow UCS direction and vectorized all lines. After these steps and selecting best fitting UCS, you will be able to vectorize 3D point cloud super fast using ortho mode. Later on, no matter how the vectorization was done, you will be able to use the Mark Lines tool to easily find lines that are not parallel and perpendicular to saved UCS. Now all lines are drawn in parallel, but I will move a few lines and see if they will be marked as wrong direction lines. All lines marked in red are not following the main UCS direction, and you can decide what to do with it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Download your free trial now at undet.com.